Okay, today we discuss vectors topic. So simple, easy. Weightage in annual examination, 10 marks. So, one mark question 1, 2 marks question 2, 3 marks question 2. Total 10 marks. So, in vectors, we discuss first vector definition, then next scalar definition, next types of vectors, next addition of vectors, subtraction of vectors, and multiplication of a scalar product, next dot product and cross product and scalar triple product. These up to scalar triple product we discuss in vectors. Okay. In JEE, scalar triple product with vector triple product also in JEE syllabus. Okay. So first of all, what is the vector? First we discuss this. So your home means house. Your house is here. Your school or college here. So daily your home to go to your college. So or this way or this way or this side or this side. First of all, which side is your school? So side first you are selected. So afterwards, what distance of your college? That is the second thing. So the direction and as well as magnitude. It means distance. So displacement and magnitude. So these both vector and scalar. So here first of all vector. Vector means a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction. It is called vector. It is denoted by AB or A. So this is a vector symbolically. So it is initial point means your home, terminal point means your college. So initial point to terminal point, this is a vector. So up to A to B, it is a magnitude. Next, as well as this is direction. So magnitude with direction is a vector. So we denoted AB vector or A small a bar like that. So next, this is a vector. Scalar. Scalar means Scalar means a physical quantity which has only magnitude. It is called scalar. So only magnitude, it is denoted by AB or only units, like that. It means only like this, only segment, line segment up to A to A. So it is a scalar. So vector, scalar. If the magnitude as well as direction, it is vector. Only magnitude, it is a scalar. So vector example. So vector example, you know already. Force. Force means which side we are moving. Next. So velocity. Velocity, acceleration, etc. Next, scalar. Scalar example, simple, mass, length, etc. Time, temperature, like that. No direction, mass, length, like that. Scalar, you know. Next of all, types of vectors. Types of vectors. So types of vectors. First one, null vector or zero vector. Null vector or zero vector. Unit vector. Negative of vector. Collinear vector. Collinear vectors. Co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors. Position vector. So simple. First, null vector. Null vector. A vector which magnitude is 0. A vector which magnitude is 0. It is called null vector. Or zero vector. It means only here, zero vector, like this. So it is denoted by zero one. Right. Next, second one, unit vector. Unit vector means a vector which magnitude is unity or 1. Magnitude is unity or 1. That vector is called unit vector. It is denoted by A bar. A cap equal to A vector divided by magnitude of A. This is the unit vector formula. Next, null vector okay, unit vector okay. Negative of a vector. Next discussion, continuation. Okay, which vector magnitude is 0? It is 0 vector. Which vector magnitude is 1? It is unit vector length. So simple. Next, negative of vector. Negative of vector means negative of vector means a vector magnitude is same but direction vector magnitude is same but the direction is opposite. Direction is opposite. It is properly negative of vector. It is denoted by minus A. So simple. A vector magnitude is same, but the direction is opposite. It means, for example, this is A vector. This is what? A vector. Magnitude is small a units. So this vector opposite side, it is minus A bar. This is negative of vector. A vector magnitude is same. Magnitude is same. But the direction is opposite. The direction is opposite. It is a negative of vector. Simple. Next, collinear vectors. Very important. One more question. Collinear vectors. So collinear vectors means so simple. Which vectors are lie on the same line or which vectors are lie on the same line or parallel to the line. Parallel to the line. That all are called collinear vectors. Collinear vectors means which vectors are lie on the same line or parallel to the line. That all are called collinear vectors. Best example, the condition, collinear condition is AC bar equal to lambda into AB bar or D bar equal to lambda A bar, like this. For example, this is a initial point A, this is B, A to B, this is C. AC vector, some constant, you multiply this vector, you get AC vector. So these three vectors are called which vectors? Collinear vectors. These two vectors, AB vector and AC vector. These both are collinear vectors. Like this. Collinear condition is this. Negative of vector, collinear vectors. Afterwards, co-initial vectors. Next, co-initial vectors means simple. It is also initial name. Name में आस्था answer. It means co-initial. Co-initial vectors. Which vectors initial point is same, that all are called co-initial vectors. It means like this. This is initial point A. This is B vector, AB vector. This is C vector, AC vector. This is D vector. Like that, AB, AC, and A are which vectors? Co-initial vectors. Because of initial point is same. A, like that. So these all are co-initial vectors. Which vectors initial point is same? That all are called co-initial vectors. Next, position of vector. So simple. It is also position vector. Position vector means the vector whose initial point is an origin. The vector whose initial point is origin. It is called position vector. It is denoted by OP bar. Initial point is origin. Like this. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. So this vector is, it is O, it is P. So OP vector is called position vector. The vector whose initial point is an origin. It is called position vector. So it is denoted by OP like this. Position vector after, just another one is there. Equal vectors. So equal vectors. If A and B are two non-zero vectors, if A and B are two non-zero vectors, these vectors have same direction So A bar and B bar is called equal vectors. So A bar is equal to B bar. So equal vectors. A bar equal to B bar. So here same magnitude and same direction. Same magnitude and direction. Same magnitude and same direction. These are called equal vectors. So types of vectors are complete. Next of all, we discuss addition of the vectors, subtraction of the vectors, and multiplication with scalar. Okay. These three discussion. So first of all, addition of vectors. So simple. Addition of vectors. If A bar equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap and B bar equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. So sum of the A bar and B bar means A bar plus B bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap minus x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. So this A bar plus B bar equal to x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z, right? x1 I component sum means x1 plus x2 I cap plus y1 plus y2 j cap plus z1 plus z2 k. This is the sum of the vectors or resultant vector, addition of the vectors like this. Next, subtraction. Of the vectors. So subtraction of the vectors, so simple. If A bar equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap and B bar equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Difference of A bar and B bar is A bar minus B bar equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap minus x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. A bar minus B bar equal to x I component and j component k component simplify here. x1 plus x1 minus x2 I cap plus y1 minus y2 j cap plus z1 minus z2 k. So this is difference of the vectors. Sum of the vectors, difference of the vectors. Next, third one. Multiplication with a scalar. If A equal to means A bar equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap and lambda some constant. So are scalar.
So lambda a bar equal to lambda into a bar is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So lambda a bar equal to lambda x I cap plus lambda y j cap plus lambda z k cap. So this is multiplication with scalar like this. Exercise number 10.1. So total vectors chapter weightage 11 marks. Sorry, 11 marks. 1 mark question, 2 marks question 2, 3 marks questions 2. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11 marks total weightage. So here, first exercise 10.1. First question. Represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers 30 degrees east of north. Same question, example 1. Example problem number 1. Also same. Represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometers 30 degrees west of south. Just west of south. That is the first example. So this question, east of north. So simple. First you take sides. It means if you think it is east, opposite west, east, west, north and south. So here, how many kilometers? What is the displacement? 40 kilometers. The vector displacement is 40 kilometers. What angle is there? 30 degrees. It means north, east of north. East of north means we calculate north to east. So like this form. This is O. This is P. This OP displacement is 40 kilometers. So this angle is 30 degrees. So OP magnitude equal to 40 kilometers. So this is the graphically representation of the displacement of this vector. Okay. Example problem number 1. Same but west of south. West of south means this side. Here. West of south. Like this. Example problem number 1. Okay. Classify the following measures as scalar or vector. One more question. So 10 kg is kgs scalar, no direction. Next, 2 meters north-west, direction is here, displacement is here. So it is vector. 40 degrees, it is temperature, it is also scalar. Next, 40 watts, it is also power, scalar. Next, 10 to the power of 19 coulomb, it is also scalar. Next, 20 meter per second square, acceleration, it is vector. Right. 10 kg scalar, 2 meters northeast vector, 40 degrees scalar, 40 watts scalar, 10 to the power of 19 coulomb scalar, 20 meter per second square vector. Same method, third question. Classify the following as scalar or vector quantities. So simple. Time period. Time always scalar. Next, distance. No direction. It is also scalar. Force. Force means displacement with magnitude. So it is a vector. Velocity. Velocity also vector. Work done. No direction. So it is only scalar. Right. So it is third question. In a figure, means this. Identify the following vectors. So simple. co-initial vectors. Co-initial means the initial point is same. That vectors are initial point is same vectors. These two vectors. You know this. What is that? This A initial point, A vector initial point also, and D vector initial point also same. So that's why A vector and D vector, these both initial point is same. Right? Next, equal vectors. Equal vectors means same magnitude and same direction. Same magnitude and same direction means this B vector same direction and D vector same direction and magnitude also same. So that's why B vector and D vector. Next, collinear but not equal. Collinear means the which vectors are parallel to the same line, means B and T also collinear vectors, A and C also collinear vectors. But here collinear but not equal means direction opposite. So which vectors direction opposite? So A and C, these both. So these both direction same. That's why these equal vectors. So collinear but not equal. Collinear but not equal means A and C. A vector and C vector. These both are equal, not equal, only collinear vectors. These both are parallel to the same line. That's why collinear vectors. In first exercise, answer the following as true or false. So simple. A vector and minus A vector are collinear. So these both magnitude is same, but direction is opposite. So that's why these both are collinear vectors. It is true. So these both are A vector, negative of vector is minus A bar. So both are parallel to the same line like this. This is minus A vector. This is minus A vector and this is A vector. So both are parallel to the same line. So that's why it is collinear true. Right. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. So two collinear vectors means, for example, collinear vectors means the two vectors like this. Two vectors are collinear. Two collinear vectors are always equal in magnitude. These both are A, B and C, B. A, B, C, D. Both vectors are collinear but not same magnitude. So that's why it is false. This two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. So two vectors having same magnitude are collinear. So it is also false. It is always not. Next, two collinear vectors having the same magnitude or equal. It is also false. Always not.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಳಾಸ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ PU ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಬಾಲ್ಕಿ